Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. I just did the premiere, we say that in French, the premiere of Pay It Forward Thursday. It was incredible. It's the first time I do that. I'm gonna do that every week to bring some kindness, just to do a random act of kindness. We need that in the world, more kindness. So I went in a cafe and I bought myself a cafe. And I gave the girl $20 and I said it's paid forward Thursday. The next customer who comes in, just tell him it's paid forward Thursday, and I paid for it. I pay for it. Everything is covered. And to enjoy, just to tell him it's paid forward Thursday. And if he has the chance to do that, to do an act of kindness and to pay it forward to someone else, it would be very nice. I just did it. I'm still on that vibration. It's incredible. It's beautiful. I'm gonna do that every Thursday. Pay it forward Thursday, guys. It's incredible. We need that chain of kindness, act of kindness in the world. It's beautiful. Have a great day. Take care.